put you on a task, girl. I bet there's a reason for it all.
How to YouTube, Turbo? Say what's up. Say what's up. YouTube, what is good, y'all? Today we're going to be taking the Porsche Turbo S for a ride. Meeting up with Tim in the G82. He has got some new mods on it, so we want to showcase that for you guys. Still waiting to pick up the Turbo GTA. We'll be dropping that video maybe sometime this week. But let me hop in the car, get on the road, and get some content for y'all. Turn it on. Sport, individual. Ready to roll. All right, boys, so we're looking around for a cinematic spot, but we also got to meet up with Tim. But we're enjoying the beautiful house. It's absolutely gorgeous day out today. 70 degrees and sunny. What's better than that? I mean, this morning was like 50, which is perfect for the car. Just found out I spit flames as well. Didn't know that. So like, those pops are all flames, which is sick. If you guys follow me on social media, you already seen those clips though, but yeah, let me get to the spot. We'll show you guys the perfect view and everything, so stay tuned. All right, boys, we're posted up. You already know the vibes. Immaculate day today. This is what it's all about right here. My bad if it's a little windy. Get the fuck out of the way. All right, boys. Just took some sick clips there, as you guys saw. Now we're gonna do a little driving for you. About to hit the bridge, stuff like that. But just wanted to drop this video and kind of update you guys like where I'm at. Obviously, just been working, been trading, and all that. If you guys are in the Discord or you haven't joined the Discord yet, it's gonna be in the description. Highly recommend it. It's definitely worth the investment. But yeah, guys, as a car update, I have been inquiring here and there about like upgraded turbos, intercoolers, intake, stuff like that. It's just like an arm and a leg. I mean, this car is so fast already that it like doesn't really make sense to do it. It's just doing it just to have like one of the fastest cars in Florida type thing, like 1,000 horsepower Turbo S. But I don't know, that and just I really love the 720. I just don't know if I can make the jump from a Porsche to a 720. I just don't know if that's the move. But you guys let me know in the comments, like, you think a 720 is better? Like, I'm saying top of the line spec, everything, every option, every carbon option, obviously, because obviously a bottom spec 720 does not even compete with this. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Can't go too hard. Ooh, Parasangwa. That's a sick spec too. Painted shields, gold wheels, that color. Oh my god. Definitely get some clips of that. We get some rollers for it. Wow, that's a sick color. Not every day you see a fully spec'd out Parasangwa. I don't know if y'all can see in the camera there. Yeah, I'm gonna try to open it up in a little bit here. Just a lot of cops around, so you guys can see. I'll hit a little rev for y'all. Not much you can do with the 3,000 RPM rev limiter, but I mean, it sounds pretty good. Turbos are so loud. but it's just not gonna pop like it will when you're actually driving. But if you guys noticed on Tim's car, he got a full new front lip and front grille. We can see, get some rollers up in here. Just a little far behind. Yeah, he's like 3 cars behind. Sounds absolutely insane. Hopefully Tim can make this lit. Okay, good. Sounds nuts. Really is so much road congestion right now. I can't open it up. Dude, he spins hella. Bro, I can't believe how unstable that is. Like, spinning in 4th gear at like 30 miles per hour is unreal.
You or him?
Him.
That was 4th gear?
Yeah, and he was spinning. Damn, that G63 does not want him in front of him. Wow.
At home, bro. At home? At home. That's what they all say.
Bro, those pops go crazy. He's cutting up hard back there. Bro, that is so loud. All you gotta do is play with the pedal a little bit and it just keeps popping. It's like the best. If I were just downshift, it's like 2 pops, if that. But if you keep just like pressing the pedal, but like not even going anywhere, it just keeps popping. All right, boys. just wrapped up the video. My sunroof is popped open, but it's whatever. Just wrapping up this video here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned because the next video we're going to be picking up a brand new car for the channel. As you guys heard us earlier, it is a Turbo GT, but I'm so excited to display that car on the channel for you guys. Stay tuned for that video. It's going to go crazy. Actually going to be like a half-hour video, so a lot of content for y'all. But thank you guys for the support.